Hello friends, in this lecture we will explore HTML styles. So first let's save it as HTML styles. Let's save it. Now how you can write an HTML style? So it goes like this. You have a tag name, then you write the attribute style equals property colon value semicolon. Now end the tag and content goes here just like this, and then end the tag. So this is the syntax. Of course we will not keep it like that. So first let's provide a style to our background. So body style equals background color, and let's provide it say hash 34495E. Now provide a semicolon. Now let's remove this tag name first. So let's save it. Now we have to open HTML styles, this one. So let's open with Firefox. See, our body background color has changed. Now there is another thing. Our body background color is dark. So let's make the font colors white. How you can do that? So inside here, after this semicolon, write color white. Let's save it and come to the browser and refresh the page. See, now the text colors are white and background color is a dark blue. So this is how you can provide HTML style. There are various styles that you can provide that we will cover everything in CSS, but inside HTML also you can provide styles. These are known as inline style. So that's it. In this lecture we have seen how you can provide style to our HTML elements. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture where we will explore HTML headings. So till then, have fun, take care.